Hi guys, this is again Amy. Welcome to welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here to do another makeup look tutorial for you guys. This is going to be a really nice begin friendly makeup look tutorial, and I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Iconic Division eyeshadow palettes. But before we jump into this tutorial, please make sure you like, comment, subscribe and share. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys like this, and don't forget to follow me on my social media. All the links will be down in the description box. The reason why I didn't do like a talk through, because if you guys live in Holland, you guys know it is so hot right now. The weather is so hot, and I had the fan blowing on my face the whole time I'm making this video, but it wasn't sounding so really nice. So I thought, you know what, let me just come and do like a voiceover, so I think this would be nice. So if you guys want to keep updates with all of my video, make sure you press on that notification bell and just press like all, so that you cannot miss out any video that I pull out, so that you can see my videos as soon as I pull them out. So I am really in love with this Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. The pigments are really beautiful, so I'm gonna play with this palette once more again. I'm just going for like a really simple natural look, like a really simple beginner friendly makeup look tutorial, and I really like this palette. The palettes are really beautiful. I use the Hoi Beauty brow pencil and the Elegoo brow kits. I use that one to like do my eyebrow. I use the Makeup Revolution concealer in C12 to cut my eyebrow, and I use the Ofra cosmetic highlighter to kind of highlight my brow. So that's what I use, and I use my W7 banana powder to set. That's what I'm doing right now. So I'm just like trying to, I always use this W7 brush cleaner just because I find it really nice. I don't really like to use a lot of brush whenever I'm doing my makeup, and I also like to, whenever I'm doing a new makeup look, I always like my brush to be clean. So I feel like if I can use less brushes, it's gonna also make me less job. Like I don't need to wash a lot of brushes, so I always try to clean my brushes and use them again. But I really like the pigment. The pigments are really beautiful. The brown is so pigment. I didn't believe this has been my favorite palette right now, because I'm using this palette every time I want to go out, especially when the weather is hot and I don't want to have like a lot of makeup. I just take the brown shadow and I just like put it on my eyes. I take the light brown, I put it in the inner corner, and the darker brown in the outer corner. It's like perfect. The looks is really nice. I really love this palette. So that's what I'm going to do, and it's so beautiful. So now you're just going to blend. Make sure you blend. Like blend is the key. I know sometimes whenever I do my eyes are not actually like, I don't know, people can't really see, especially when you look very close. My eyebrow is not always the same. Sometimes I kind of change my eyebrow look. Sometimes it's thicker, sometimes it's very thin. It's just like what I'm feeling. Like sometimes eyebrow takes really a lot of job. Like doing my eyebrow sometimes really take a lot, because sometimes I have like comments, people like, oh, your eyebrow doesn't look the same, your eyebrow look different in this video and another video looks different. Like sometimes it's just depends on the mood and the mood of how I'm feeling. Like, you know, sometimes I like it smaller, sometimes I like it bigger. Like today I'm really feeling, I'm kind of feeling the way the eyebrow is looking really nice. So I really like it, and you just have to blend. Just blend. But the shadows are really easy to blend. They're not like super difficult to blend. And one thing I do, I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to take this NYX glitter gel shadow primer something. I'm gonna use this to prime, to like put it on top of my eyes where I'm going to put the highlighter. What I like to do is, when I buy highlighters and I really like the pigments of the highlighters, sometimes I like to use my highlighters as an eyeshadow, and trust me, it looks really beautiful. I really like it. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put this NYX glitter primer use this as a base so that when I put a highlighter, it's going to stand out. It's going to stand out really. I do this with all of my highlighters. Every highlighter that I have, sometimes I do use this as an eyeshadow because sometimes I feel like the pigment is just beautiful and it stays there. It lasts the whole day. It doesn't get like creasy or chalky or something, and I really like it. So today I'm going to use one of my favorite highlighters. That is the Ofra Cosmetic highlighter. This is the Ofra Cosmetic Nikki tutorial collab. I really like this highlighter, so that's what I'm going to use today as an eyeshadow. And it is very beautiful. It's very cheap. It's you can do multiple look with this highlighter. You can use it on your face, you can use it on your body, you can also use it on your eyes. So yeah, I just like it, it's just really nice. It's very pigment, and I really like the way it looks. I really like the overall result after I'm done with this look. It was looking really beautiful. You guys can see the pigment. You guys can see how pigment that is. Especially when you have like a good base, you see how pigment it is. Like when you have like a good base, a good primer base, the highlights will really stand out on your eyes. It's really beautiful. I really like this highlighter. Trust me, guys, I do like it. I also used like the NYX, the sleek highlighter. Also, I kind of use it sometimes as an eyeshadow, and it's really beautiful. To be honest, it's really beautiful. I really like it because I feel like you have so much highlighters, and sometimes you don't even use all of them. And those highlighters have dates on them. Some of them you can use it for like 6 months. Some of them you can use it for 24 months. So some of them is for a year. So you can't actually use it all to finish because every day new products are coming out. And trust me, your girl don't have money to buy all those new products that are coming out every day. My makeup look are always very affordable. Most of the makeup I have, they're very affordable. And even if I have like an higher brand makeup, like the Ofra highlighters, I always buy it when it's on sale. Like I don't pay like 35 euros or something for highlighters. No. I don't. I'm not yet there. So what I like to do, I always wait on sale. And one thing I like about Bougie Shop, if you guys live in Holland, Bougie Shop always have sales. I'm so waiting for those people. Like one thing I do, like when the product come out newly on Bougie Shop, just give it a week or two. They're having some sales. Like trust me, after a week or two, Bougie Shop is having some sales. So that's why before I didn't know, like when I see they have new product and I like the product, I just go and buy it immediately. And then after I start watching, I'm like, okay, now I know their routine. Whenever they have something new, just wait 1 or 2 weeks. If I really like it, then I get it. But if it's like way too expensive for my budget sometimes, I just wait 1 or 2 weeks. And believe me, they're going to have sales on it. And I always like to go for that kind of thing. Like, I don't really have money to buy a whole lot of makeup. The ones I had, that's why I try to create like different multiple looks with an eyeshadow palette, because I feel like it's not only one eye you can do with certain palettes, you can do so many, and I don't feel like I need to have all the palettes. And I really like the cheaper makeup because they really works really good, especially the Makeup Revolution shadow palette, and the ones I have from the Morphe eyeshadow palette. They're really beautiful. They're really nice. The pigments are so beautiful. And I also like the OPV, Mermaid eyeshadow palette. Oh, I'm so obsessed with those palettes. I really like it, and they're really beautiful. So yeah, I just try to keep my makeup very simple. If I can afford something, I buy it. If I can't afford it, I leave it. I always say to myself, cut your coat according to your size. When you can afford something, just leave it, and when you can afford it, no problem. So yeah, I'm going to use this NYX Total Drop foundation. This foundation is so dark. Like when I put it on my face, it matches my neck because my neck is kind of dark. But on my face is dark for my face, but my neck is darker. Like people don't know, my neck and my body don't have the same shade or pigment or color all over. some places are darker, some places are like lighter. My neck is dark. My forehead is darker, and the rest of my body is lighter. So like that's just how it is. Like my body, I don't have the same shade everywhere. So sometimes I get comments, people be like, oh, your neck is too dark, the foundation is lighter. But you guys also have to know that when I'm filming my videos, I have like lighting all over, I have like studio lights all over, so it makes my neck look even more darker and my face look even more brighter because I have touched my face with makeup. But in real life, it's okay. It's not like super bad. It's okay. It looks pretty nice. Okay. So in real life, it's okay. It's not like super bad. But sometimes I get some comment, people like, oh, your makeup is not, it's not cute. Your skin, your neck is darker. Your face, your neck and your face are not the same colors. They are not the same colors. And now I'm just used to it. It's not really something I'm trying to argue or kind of tell people about, because people are be like, even if you explain it 1,000 times, people are just they're just deaf, you know. People just they deaf. They don't understand sometimes. People are just deaf. Sorry, but people are just deaf sometimes. You see some things, you go to ask again the same question. You go to ask person the same question. Why your face can't be like this? Why your neck can't be like this? No, not a year word. I'm not gonna hear word. No, you're not gonna ask person, crazy person. No, they ask me crazy questions sometimes. No, they like her. No, they like her at all. No, they like. I don't like those kind of questions. My neck and my face are two different people. But yeah, it's just that's how it is. But I really like the makeup look. I really like it. So guys, like I'm talking like pidgin. If you guys don't know what pidgin is a Nigerian broken English. I think I'm gonna do a story time about this. I'm gonna do a get ready with me story time because I have a really cool story time. Whenever I speak Nigerian broken English, the pidgin, for no reason people felt like I'm Nigerian. People always think that I'm a Nigerian because I speak the pidgin so well. So I'm gonna do a very story time for you guys. If you guys are interested in that story time, leave a comment down below, because my best friend till this day, we met like long time ago, and it's gonna be a very fun. And she still don't believe that I'm not a Nigerian. She think I'm a Nigerian, but I'm not a Nigerian. I've never been to Nigerian, but I watch a lot of Nigerian movies, and I have a lot of Nigerian friends, and I love Nigerian food. I can even cook Nigerian food, not all of them, but few. I can cook like few, like the ogusi, the ogbono, the jollof rice with my own twist on it. Okay, my own jollof rice, not Nigerian jollof rice, my own. But yeah, I really like how people kind of sometimes feel like I'm a Nigerian, because sometimes people sometimes I have like really born Nigerians sometimes comment to be like, this girl is the Niger babe. Don't reach Oyibo, don't change your nationality. So they feel like I'm a Nigerian who comes to Europe and change my identity and everything. But I'm not Nigerian. But I'm gonna do a very fun story how me and my best friend met, and how we become like a really cool best friend for you guys. How we become like a really cool person. Even till this day, she kind of had doubt. That's like, how can you speak this language or our language so good? Like, are you not a Nigerian? I'm like, no, I'm not Nigerian. I have watched a lot of Nigerian movies. I've watched a lot of Mercy Johnson. That's the reason why. But I'm not a Nigerian. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. This is just random talking, just to keep you guys like busy. I really can't like I don't know how to really do it, like when I'm applying the product to tell you guys what I'm doing. That's why I'm showing you guys the product I'm using. But if you guys like the kind of video where I'm just like get ready and do a voiceover, just talk about random things, leave a comment below. I really like it. But I'll definitely try to come and do story time. I'll see if I can do it with the kids around, because when the kids are on holiday, the house is so busy, it's so noisy. But I hope you guys like this video. If you guys do, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram for more pictures, and on my Facebook page. Dus vergeet niet te abonneren als je deze video leuk vindt. En vergeet dan niet te volgen op mijn Instagram kanaal. Hoop ik jullie zo snel mogelijk te zien. Doeg! Bye!